The first interview I had with Drakart magazine was 21 years ago. And then we came to the US with a single-seater, with a two-stroke motor, CVT transmission, and at the time I designed a 5-link rear suspension. And then today, 21 years later, that we got a UTV Drakart made out of chromoly. This is the Scorpion. This is the first motorcycle engine UTV four-wheel drive. We build a transmission in-house, suspension arms, spindles, everything in-house, body panels, a chassis made out of chromoly, suspension arms out of chromoly. We use wheelwood brakes, front and rear with big caliper, Tilton for the master cylinder. The motor is Hyabusa. It's a 1340cc. 212 horsepower stock, no turbo. Okay, so we have, this car has 20 inches of suspension, front and rear. And then when the suspension is totally collapsed on the rear, we still have 5 inches of ground clearance compared to some of the manufacturer where they claim they have a lot of suspension travel when they're bottoming out. They touch the ground, but we don't do that. Everything is made in USA. Body panels, suspension, everything. We have a transmission made in-house as well. The ratio, it's a chain driven, no belt, no rubber. We can change the ratio. It's almost endless as far as the options. This car has the same geometry and same wheelbase as a race car. The race car has a 1000cc engine, but this one is a bigger motor, or play car. We have power steering, electrical power steering adjustable. We have Simpson seats, we have crow harnesses, and the list goes on and on and on. As far as options, it's almost endless because we build so many things. We got the CNC machine. Okay, this car has a tire swing or tire rack here. You can see this one has a jack incorporated here. The airbox is a custom-made airbox. With the race air filter. The car is made in USA. I'm not going to say 100% besides the shocks, the wheels, and the motor, but the rest is all made in USA. Okay, now we're going to talk about the cockpit. Simpson seats on slider for sure. The pedal mount are adjustable front to rear and up and down. You can adjust for a tall guy, short guy, whatever you want. Steering column is adjustable too. It comes with a Sparker steering wheel, and then also you got a carbon fiber dash with all the switches, water temp, water gauge, and also we didn't talk about that. The transmission is a 6-speed sequential, and you got a reverse shifter over here.